This is the video tutorial for the Module 8 of your Mobile Programming 1 course, Menus and Dialogs. So for our application name, just change it to Module 8, and for the SDKs, just choose the ice cream sandwich version and then click Next. And then change your activity name and layout name to Main, and then click Finish. We are now going to go to the main.xml and delete the welcome message, and then drag a large text view to your application, and then change the text to convert patient weight. Then we're just gonna adjust, and then afterwards we're gonna get a number text field, and then double click and then change the Android ID to txt weight, and then type or change the Android text size to 20 SP, and also add in the Android hint, and then type in weight of patient, and then we're just going to save this, and then next go to form widgets and then look for the radio group or the radio buttons, and then drag it there, and then we're just gonna set it, and then once you have it, just click the first radio button and then change the ID to RAD or RAD LB to kilo, then click OK. Then for the second one, change it to RAD kilo to pound or kilo to LB, and then click OK. And then we are just going to delete the last one, then so once we have created that, just double click on the first radio button and then replace the text to pounds to kilograms or LB to kilo, and then for the second one, type in kilo to LB, and then we are just gonna click save. And then the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna code, and then just go to the main.java, and then just below the public class, type in double conversion rate, and then type in double weight entered, and then type in double converted weight, and then click save. And then just below the set content view, type in final edit text weight, and then edit text find by view by id.r.id.text weight, and then semicolon. Then don't forget to import edit text as a widget, and then type in again final radio button LB to kilo, and then type in radio button find view by id to r.id dot lb rad lb to kilo, then semicolon. Then just import radio button again, and then next type in final radio button kilo to lb, and then type in radio button again, then find view bar by id, and then r.id dot radio kilo to lb, and then semicolon. And then the next thing that we're gonna type in is we're gonna go back to the main.xml, and then we are going to add a button to the application. We're just going to change the name of the button to btn compute, and then the text is going to be changed to convert weight, and then type in Android text size to 20 sp, and so we're just going to adjust. Okay, and then we are going to add another text view just below the button, and then we are going to change the id to txt result, and then change the text or delete the Android text, but add Android text color. Then for this application, it's going to be the red, so it's going to be sharp FF and then 4 zeros. So if you're wondering where I got this, just check Google for the hexadecimal values of the colors in Android, and you will see a list there. And then text size is 20 sp, and then we are just going to save our work. Then once we're done, go back to main.java, and then just below the final radio button kilo to lb, type in final text view result, and then equals text view, and then find view by id.r.id.text result, and then semicolon, and then just don't forget to import text view as a widget, and then type in button convert equals button, and then find view by id, so control space, and then r.id.btn compute, and then semicolon, and then don't forget to make your button as a widget, and then type in convert dot set on click listener, and then type in new on click listener, so that once we click the button, there's going to be computations, or there's going to be something involved there to pull out the message. And then just below the on click view code, we are going to add this await entered equals double dot parse double, and then wait dot get text, okay. So we're just gonna redo the code again. Get text, then dot to string, and then semicolon, and then type in decimal format, and then 10th, and then equal to new decimal format, and then sharp dot sharp, and then semicolon. Then don't forget to import your decimal format as a java.text, and then if lb to kilo dot is checked, convert weight equals weight, or converted weight rather, equals weight entered slash conversion rate, and then type in result dot set text, and then 10th dot format, converted weight, and then plus kilograms, and then semicolon, and then just below type in else, type in toast dot make text, and then type in main dot this, and then replace text with pounds must not be more than 500, and then type in or replace the duration as length underscore long, and then dot show. Okay, I've just got a typographical error here. After we are done coding for the first radio button, the next thing that we're going to do is to code for the second radio button. So type in if kilo to lb dot is checked, then open curly brace, type in if weight entered is less than or equal to 225, type in converted weight equals a weight entered times or asterisk converted weight or conversion rate rather, and then just below that type in result dot set text, and then 10th dot format converted weight plus pounds, then semicolon, and then just below, outside the second so for our second conditional statement, just type in else, and then toast dot make text, and then main dot this, and then change this to kilos must be more than 225, and then replace duration as toast dot length underscore long dot show, then semicolon. Then we will just save our work and check if this will work through our emulator. So just click run configurations. Okay, and then create a new Android application, and then type in module 8, then look for module 8, then for the target just create that and then run and click. Once your application has loaded, like what has happened on my end, we will try to check if what we've done is working. So for 500 kilograms it will work, and what if we have exceeded the 500? So we are going to get a toast notification. So for the mobile programming one, the alert dialog that you'd be doing is a toast notification, although this will change on your mobile programming 2 course. So as you can see, what we've created is working. So the moment you have an excess of 225 kilos to be converted to pound, it's going to give you a toast notification, and for the pounds to kilos, once you've exceeded 500, it's going to give you, once it exceeded 500, it's going to give you another toast notification. So I hope to see you again on your next module for the module 9. Thank you.